High Court Bar Association of Manipur gi kuntrag manga suba foundation degi thauram nga sipang thokre. Loinana courtroom haiba si logi room khaktani haiba yaroi. Courtroom haiba si achumbagi laishang amani haina High Court of Manipur gi Justice Ahanthem Bimol fongdokre. Imphal the High Court of Manipur gi auditorium da pangthokiba thauram aduda Justice Ahanthem Bimol na makha taraduna chahi kuntrag manga suraba association asi kanagumba kharagi khudong chana na basem ki banate. Longak na chatuna miyamda chumba wayal fanghanabagi pandamda semkibani. Matamgi ahongba lakpagi matungina thabak thauram kayada ahongba laklabasu legal profession asigi fundamental values sing ngak na thamba mathautai. Association asigi mapung oiba thaudangdi leibag asigi leidiba justice system asida miyamna thajaba leihanba aduni haina justice asina makhata na fongdoki. Thauram aduga mari leinana lamdam asida logi lamda chahiyankhai gi mathakta thabak tawraklaba miyoisingda khudol tamduna ikai khumnaba loinana association asigi layoikraba members singi mafamda haika leika tamduna ikai khumnaba utki. Thauram aduda Manipur Judicial Academy gi Director Justice Golmai Gaifushalu, Advocate General Manipur Lenin Hizam Bar Council of Manipur gi Chairman S. Brajbihari, High Court Bar Association gi of Manipur gi President N. Kumarjit, Association asigi members sing yauna miyoi kayana sarugyaki.
As the world changes and technology transforms the way we work, argue, and even think, the fundamental values that sustain our profession must remain unchanged. Integrity, learnedness, and courage. For as long as within us, the rule of law will not falter. The bar's duty does not end at representation. It extends to the preservation of public faith in the justice system. Each time we address the bench, we are, in some sense, addressing society. Its argument is a brick in the edifice of public trust. We are trustees of justice, and trustees must never betray their charge.